Today we are going to do a drawing in a drawing bee book. Open your book at page number 39. Write here today's date first, that is 19-1-2222. Write here C.W.classwork. A bird. We are going to do a color in a bird. For that, we are going to use these 4 colors. First we will take black color and we will join these dots with black color. Now we will fill here with green color. Now we will take red color and we will fill red color here and here. We will do red color in beak. Now here we will fill with yellow color. Our bird is ready.